Hello everyone. So today in this video we are discussing about one of the most fascinating game ever. Yes, it is KOBA, Crypto Online Battle Arena. You must have seen my previous video about Decentranet, which is decentralized internet. KOBA is in partnership with Decentranet. Decentranet has again in partnership with Oasis browser, and along with Oasis browser it is having one of the largest DApp store, and this DApp store provides many DApps or launch many DApps including many games, applications which are running on blockchain. So one of these game is KOBA, Crypto Online Battle Arena. And you already know about Decentranet, that for Oasis browser, DApps and Decentranet, there is a standard currency which is named as Spice is used for this. So with this KOBA, you can test your might in crypto rewarding battle arena. And with this battle arena, of course, you can enjoy playing, but also not only enjoyment, but you can also get paid to win. So here, first thing is participation is free, but you can get paid to win. If you win, you will get paid. Also, your skills can be turned into money by earning per match. Here, one of the most important thing is you can also buy, sell, and trade the characters you own with other people. So if you have any characters you are using in this game, you can if you already own it, then you can sell it, or you can trade it in exchange with other characters or cryptocurrency. Or if you don't have, with the DApp, which OpenSea has this DApp where tons of characters are available, you can buy these characters. So one of the great feature of KOBA is you can buy, sell, or trade the characters. Then it is a very killer DApp. DApp is nothing but digital application. So you must stop playing DApps with no actual gameplay. In many DApps games, you will not find any gameplay. You just need to play and forget about that. But here, KOBA provides one of the most fascinating gameplay. And also, you can see in the background how very creative background graphics is going on there. So with other DApp games, the graphics are mostly outdated. You know that you deserve much more exciting and rewarding DApp experience, which no one can provide than Decentranet's DApp, and which is KOBA. So KOBA is only this is the only blockchain based MOBA project, battle arena, online battle arena project. So here, you can support this game, also make it mainstream. As we already know that this is part of Decentranet's DApp store. So decentralized ownership you will get with KOBA. Remember that the complete ownership of KOBA characters you purchase, you have that ownership. Do not forget that you can buy it and sell it at higher price when the player volume picks up. So if you have any character and you see the player has increased at much more value, then you can increase the value of your character and sell your characters. So as I already mentioned, you can buy, sell, and trade your characters. So this is very important that you must secure all your characters at very early stages at OpenSea.io. Now let's see the features of KOBA, Crypto Online Battle Arena. How to play. Here you will see its detailed explanation how to play this crypto online battle arena. So you have to open Oasis browser. So with this internet's Oasis browser, you have to install, you have to download the PC version of Oasis browser, and then you have to check out the D App Store, which is present at left hand side of Oasis browser. Oasis browser provides you the liberty. It's truly decentralized internet. So all the things will be at your hand. So with the D App Store within Oasis browser, just go to D App Store, select Koba, and you can run the game from Oasis browser itself. And once it start running, you can enjoy the game. But again, remember, to enjoy the game you must have some characters. You can buy these characters, and as you grow these characters, you can sell these characters at higher price. So as I already mentioned, you will not only have enjoyment, but also you can get paid to earn, play to earn. So you can claim your freedom in an immersive online battle arena style gameplay with real crypto staking and earning. So you can build your dreams in P2E world. Your skills can made into profit. So if you grow your characters, you can sell and you can make a profit. And as I mentioned, Spice is a standard cryptocurrency for this internet, Oasis browser, and D App Store. So in order to get paid to win, you need to acquire Spice. You need to get some Spice tokens. Spice is the cryptocurrency of D App Store. Spice is used in Koba as a payment method. And don't forget to secure your Spice at pw.com, which is available at lowest price at the moment. Also it is available on probit.com. So these are the features, and now just look at the story. So as we already mentioned, stop playing outdated graphics and gameless plays which are not having any story. So I will give you the link of this game. You can read the story. It has one of the most fascinating story, and you will enjoy playing this game. Classes. Now just look at the classes given here. Just looking at the classes, you will understand, you will come to know at what level this battle arena is having. The Annihilator, Enabler, and so on. One of the most fascinating characters. See, the Incinerator, then Bessinger. What really great characters. The Vanguard, then Coward. So these are the characters classes available here, Demolisher, and so on. Isn't these great? So you can check out the Koba website and see the classes. And now most important, the characters you will need to play. So here only one character is mentioned at the moment, Inoseth, the Hellraiser. But in OpenSea IO character store, you can buy, sell, and trade hell lot of characters. There are tons of characters available. So let's see the open store to see the characters, and don't forget to buy the characters using the link which I have given in the description. So let's see the OpenSea IO with all the characters available. Okay, so as I mentioned, OpenSea IO is one of the greatest marketplace for the all gaming characters, and here we are seeing the marketplace for Koba gaming. And with this OpenSea IO marketplace, now you see there are 25 collections available, characters available, and all these characters you can buy at, you see these are at very lowest price at the moment. So you can buy it at early stage, and once you buy it, you can sell it. Once you know that there are huge number of players coming in or join, you can sell these characters at higher prices, and until then you can enjoy playing these characters. So all link for this OpenCIO marketplace I have given in the description. You can click that link and you can buy these characters, or if you already have these characters, you can sell these characters using OpenCIO marketplace. So all these characters available which you can use in the Kova in gameplay. Also here mention which characters are least expensive and so on. All characters also we can see. So OpenCIO marketplace is regarding all the characters which you need to play Koba, and you can enjoy buying these characters and you can sell at later price. So not only Koba, with OpenSea you can also buy and sell other characters. If you click on browse all, so all characters regarding all the collections, all other gameplays you can see. See here other characters also available which you can buy and sell. Okay, so just visit this OpenSea marketplace and buy your favorite character, and this is very early stage. So grab these characters at very lowest price, very cheap. These are available now, and enjoy your gameplay. Just for your more understanding, I have created a detailed presentation about crypto online battle arena. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and also you will enjoy the presentation. Thank you.